exercise 5.3. Till here we have done in the previous lecture. So question number 1. So you know about this. I told you many times we will use two formula. In the first part we are using this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where an is the nth term of the given AP, a first term of that given AP, n number of term, and d is what? Common difference. Another formula for finding out sum of nth term, n term, n by 2 first n term, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or what we can say? We can say n by 2 a plus an. An meaning nth term, last term of the given AP. And this later on we have written like this, equal to a plus l. When what's given? Number of term given, first term given, last term given, common difference is not given. When common difference is given, then we will apply this formula. Which formula? This formula we will apply. So in this exercise, we will use this formula. Some question related to this, some question related to this. So we can solve easily, all part is easy, but we can solve one by one. Read the statement of question number 1. Question number 1, exercise 5.3. Which exercise? 5.3. So in exam, solve systematic. Understood? So first part given, find the sum of the following. First question, first part. First question, first part. Yes or no? What saying? Find the sum of the following from AP what? 2, 7, 12 to the 10 term. How many terms given? 10 terms. So how can we solve it? So we can write solution of first question, first part. Yes or no? So what's given? Given AP is what? 2, 7, 12. Total how much term? 10 terms. Understood? So first what we can do? First we can write A equal to what here? 2. D equal to 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 12 minus 7, 5. And 10. And what's given? Sum of what? First 10 term. It's meaning what we have to find out? You can write we know Sn. Sum of first n term of the given AP is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What's n here? N equal to 10 here. So what we can write? S10 equal to 10 by 2. 2a. What's your a? 2. What's your a? 2. Plus 10 minus 1. And what's your d? D told you. D is 5 here. After this what? Remaining calculation. So S10 equal to 5, 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 5 ja 45. So what's its meaning? S10 equal to 5 into 49. 5 into 49. So how can you solve it? So this is equal to what? This is equal to 246. 46, not 45, sorry. Understood? Here again you can apply another method, otherwise directly you can calculate. So sum of first n term of the given AP is how much? This is equal to 245. Simple. Second part, here I can show. First question, second part. AP minus 37 minus 33, minus 29. How many terms? 12 terms. How many terms? 12 terms. So same process. What's A here? A equal to minus 37. What's your D here? D equal to minus what? 33 minus minus plus 37 is equal to what? 4. D equal to 4. Then what? N equal to 12. Which thing we have to find out? S12 we have to find out. We know what we know. We know Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into n equal to 12. So S12 equal to 12 by 2, 6, 2, A is what? A is this, minus 37, minus 37, plus n minus 1, n equal to 12, minus 1, 11. What's your D? D equal to 4. Where is equal to D equal to 4? This. So calculate it. So how can you calculate it? In this part, what we can say? S12 equal to 6. Start this. Multiply what's coming? 37 to the 74 plus 44 minus 74 plus 44. This is equal to minus 74 and this is equal to 44. How much? Minus 34. Minus 30, sorry. Minus 74, 44, 0, 3. Minus sign is there, minus 30 coming. So I can write minus 30. Now open this bracket. S12 equal to, if you can multiply, its sum is this. So this is your answer. How much sum? Minus 180. Got it? Next what? This also we have done. Now we will do what? Next part. First one is simple, second one negative, third one in the decimal form, fourth one is what? In the form of fraction. Understood? If you know how can calculate this formula, what's formula remains same? What's formula remains same? So we can do like this. How can we do? First write statement. So this question we will solve, third part of it. What's your sequence? 0.6, then 1.7, then 2.8, up to how many terms? 100 term. What we have to find out? Sum. You have to find out sum of these first 100 term of given AP, whose first term is this, second term is this, third term is this. In this, like this, in this way. So we will solve it. We will solve it. What? This is the first question. First question. What's part? Third. Exercise 5.3. So how can? What's given? 1.6, 2.7, 3.8. How many terms? 100 terms. 100 terms. So first we have to write what is A? A equal to 1.6. B equal to 1.1. This minus this, or this minus this. 2.7 minus 1.6, 1.1. N is what here? 100. And which thing we have to find out? We have to find out S100. We have to find out. We know what we know. We know that Sn meaning sum of first n term of the given AP. What's n by 2? N by 2 bracket start 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this thing we have to find out. S100, n by 100, 100 by 2. 2a is what? 1.6. By this question, examiner, or you can say writer of this books, wants check your calculation of decimal. Plus 100 minus 1, 99. And what's your d? D is this into 1.1. This. If you know how can calculate, easily you can find out. S100 equal to 50. If you can multiply this, this is become 3.2. Understood? And then plus, what's your plus? 99 multiplying with 11. So this coming 9, 18. Yes or no? Decimal after how many digits? Here after 1 digit, so here also after 1 digit. So what's coming? It's multiplication. What's coming? 108.9. So again this 50, we can add these. How can we add? 3.2. In decimal, you know, addition, how can addition and subtraction? When decimal under decimal, 11, decimal is there. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 2. Well, this. So what's coming? Again it's multiplication with 112.1. Understood? This you can solve by many ways. One way is this, we can put here, what we can put? 10. What we can put? To remove this decimal, we can put 10. We have written this, cancel this. 5 ja 5, 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 6, 5. So what's the S100? S100 of this given sequence is this. Understood? Just want to your calculation. You know calculation of decimal or not? This is the main purpose of the examiner. What's purpose? Main purpose. So this part I told you. Then what's coming? One more part given. Exercise 5.3. Question number 1, part number 4. So in the what's given? In the form of decimal. Formula remains same. Remains same or not? So this is given. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 in this given. So we can check what like this. So what's our this? Sequence is what? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, like this, 11 terms. You have to find out sum of first 11 term of the given AP. Yes or no? This given, what's given? 11 terms. Yes or no? So here we can write, what we can write? E. What's A here? A mean first term. A mean first term. A equal to 1 by 15. What's your D? D we can find out equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So what's your LCM? 60 minus 4. It's meaning 1 by 60 is your D. You know how can find out there? Taking the LCM of the denominator of LCM of 12 and 15, what? 60. 12 5 ja 60, 5 1 ja 5. Minus sign is there, 15 4 ja 60, 4 1 ja 4, 1 by 60. Then what's given? N equal to what's given? 11. And sorry, S, you have to find S 11 is what? This is your main purpose. Same procedure like this. We know that know that. What you know? What you know? You can write. So what? S n equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Got? But n is what here? 11. So I can write S11. N value 11, 11 by 2. I can write 2. What's your A? A is this 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into D 1 by 60. Just this, if you know this, easily able to show so much simple question. So what? S 11 equal to 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. You can say like this also, sir, why not cancelling 0 by this 0? We can cancel it, but we need to take LCM of these also. Then we have to take LCM of 6 and 15. So same coming. So what's your S11 equal to 11 by 2. What's LCM? 60. You know how can find out LCM? If don't know, 15 and this is 60. Make its factor. Divisible by 2. Yes, this is divisible. Only one divisible by 3. Both divisible by 3 5s are 15, 20. Divisible by 3, not 4. Only this divisible by. Divisible by 5. Yes, both 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60. This LCM we have taken like this. Yes or no? So what's 60 divided by 15? What's coming? 4 4 2s are 8 plus 10. So S11 equal to 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. So S11 is equal to 11 into 18 by 2 into 60. Cancel what's coming? 9. 3 3s are 320. So it's meaning 33 by 20. What is this? Improper fraction. What's rule saying? If improper fraction given, then convert that into mixed fraction. It's depend on the examiner. Either you can convert or need not be convert. But it's better if you can convert. So I can write this 1 into what's 13 by 20. You know, I think, how can convert this. So much easy. So this is the fourth part of this question number 1. These fourth part given in question number 1. Now we can start next question, question number 2. What's question? Question number 2. So here also you have to find the sum of the given below. So given below mean what? These first part, second part, third part. So different things given. Here given in mixed fraction. So first what we can do? We can convert this into improper fraction. So I can write here question number 2. What's part? First part, exercise 5.3, class 10th. So what's 7? Multiply 20, 21 by 2. Then 14. Then last term is what? 84. In first question, what we have to do? We have to find out Sn. Sn meaning sum of first n term of the given AP. What's the difference between the question number 1 and 2? And here we have to find out. What we have to find out? N not given. We have to given last term. What's given? Last term. So how can we find out? So here what we can write? A equal to, what's your A equal to? 7. What's your D? D equal to 21 by 2 minus 7 by 1. If you can take LCM 2, 21 minus 14, how much? 7 by 2. Yes or no? And then what's given? AN given. AN equal to 84. AN equal to 84. So which formula we can apply here? One formula is this: Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Second, Sn equal to n by 2, a plus an. Third one is also like this: a we are having, an we are also having. So we can apply this formula. But what's problem? Problem is this. First we need what we have to find out? N. What we have to find out? N. So N, how can we find out? So you know previous knowledge. What's previous knowledge? AN equal to what? What's your formula? A plus n minus 1 into b. AN, what's AN? 84. 84 equal to A, 7 plus n minus 1. B what? D is equal to 7 by 2. What's 7 by 2? So 84 minus 7 is equal to what? N minus 1 into 7 by 2. This also transfer in this side. So how much left? 77 equal to n minus 1 into n by 2. N by 2, not 7 by 2. Transfer in this side. 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Cancel this. 11. 11 2 ja 22. 11 2 ja 22. So what's this? 22 equal to n minus 1. So what is n? 22 plus 1, 23. So now we are having n also, a also. So find out what sum of these, how much terms? A 23, S 23. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This formula we can apply. So what's S23 equal to 23 by 2a, 7 an, 84. An equal to 84. This, according to your question. So S23 equal to 23 into what? 91 by 2. You can calculate, only simple calculation left. Multiply these and then directly you can write S23 is like this. Got? Then what? Second part. Whose second part? Question number 2, second part. Here what? 5.2. So in this question what's given? In this question given, we have to find out and then we are applying another formula. So what's your AP? 34, 32, 30, continuous like this. Then what's the term coming? This is your last term. This is your last term of the given AP. What's given? AP. So what's A here? A equal to 34. What's your D? D equal to minus 2. What's your N? We don't know. What's your Sn? We don't know. So two variable. So directly not possible two variable. To solve two variable, we need at least two equation to find them. So what we can find out? First we can find out this. What's An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What's your An? 10. What's your A? 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. So take in this that side, 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. How much? Minus 24 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Need not be open this bracket, directly transfer here, multiply, mean there, divide. So what's coming? 12 equal to n minus 1. So what's your 13 equal to n? So n coming how much? 13. So now what's your s? N we know, n by 2, a plus an. Why applying this formula? Because last term is given here. We can apply that formula also, by that formula also possible. So what's we have to find out? S13, 13 by 2. What's your A? 34. What's your D? 10. Denote AN, 10. Here, AN, this 10. So S13 equal to 13 by 2 into what? 34 plus 10, 44. By 1, calculate 22. S13 equal to 22. Its multiplication with this. So what? 286. So what's this sum? Is equal to 286. So you can understand the difference between the question number 1 and question number 2. In question number 1, we have to find out sum of first n term. But in question number 3, first we have to find out n, then we have to find out sum of first n term by applying second formula, this formula. So third part of this, what? Third part of this question, what's the question? This given, this safety given. What's minus 5? Minus 5. Question number 2, part number 3rd, exercise 5.3. 5, then what's given? Minus 8. Given or not given? 5 minus 8, then minus 11, minus 11. And in this way continues like this, minus 230. 230. Yes. You have to find out of some of these terms. So again same procedure. A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 3. I think you know how can find out D. Minus 8, minus plus 5. So minus 8 of minus, 5 of plus. So minus 3 left. What's your N? We don't know. What's your SN? We don't know. What's your AN? We know. AN equal to minus 230. So we can apply this formula. AN equal to 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N how much given? Minus 230 equal to 2. A is what? Minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is what? Minus 3. You can calculate. Way of calculating depend on you. Any method you can apply, so many methods possible. Minus 230 plus 10. You can transfer this inside, equal to N minus 1 into minus. How much? Minus 220. 220. So, what happened? Is this possible or not possible? Minus 230. So what happened here? So first term is this, second term is this, AN is this, formula is this 230, 200 minus 20 possible. So you can transfer this in this way. So what's coming? Is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. A equal to what? Minus 5. 5 2s are 10. So coming what's plus. So this in this way. So what's minus 220 by what? Minus 3 equal to n minus 1. What's n minus 1? If we can calculate this, this cancel this. What's 7s are 21. So coming in the form of fraction. If coming in the form of fraction, so it's meaning n is not coming, never coming in the form of fraction. So here is some mistake in this question. What's in the statement or anywhere? Once again we can check. A equal to minus 3, b equal to what? Minus 3, n equal to, we have to find out Sn minus 3. So check one time. Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, minus 230. Minus 230 given. 30, then what's left? 20. So in this question, this we will take 22 is here. We are taking it, may be possible, what it may be given, some mistake anywhere, but we are taking what's minus 220. What's taking? Minus 220. Then it's possible. So here what's coming? Minus 220. Here also minus 220. So we can apply this formula. Minus 220 equal to what's 2a, 2 into minus 5 plus n minus 1 into what's minus 3. Got it? This transfer in this side. Minus 220 plus 10 equal to n minus 1 into what's minus 3. Yes or no? How much left? Minus 210. Minus 210 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Transfer in this side. Minus 210 minus 3 equal to n minus 1. This cancel this. It's what? 70 equal to n minus 1. So what's your n? 71. So we have to find to find out Sn. Sn equal to how much? 71. N equal to 71. Now we can apply what we can apply, which we want. We have to find out sum of S71. Sum of first n term of the given AP. So how can you solve? This is equal to n by 2. 71. Directly I am writing without formula. You know formula. 2a. What's your a? Minus 5. Plus an. What's your an? Minus 220. So solve it. S71 equal to 71 by 2. 71 by 2. This minus 10, this minus 220. So what's become? S71 equal to 71 by 2 into minus 230 by 1. 230 why? Because their sum is this. Both are having same sign, so we can add them and put that sign. So if you can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 5. So what's called? S71 equal to 71 into minus 115. You can calculate this. What you can calculate? This 115 we can write here. It's multiplication with 71. So as it is we can write 7 5s are 35, 3. 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 10, 1. 7 7 1, 8. So 5, 6, 1, 8. So S 71 equal to minus 8165. This is the sum of these terms. Understood? So we will check it's definitely a mistake or not. You can also check what's coming here, but I have taken minus 220 is the last term of that. Yes or no? So now next question. What's question? Question number 3. Question number 3. What's given in an AP? A equal to this, D equal to this, AN equal to 50. Find N and SN. So in this question you have to find out what? N, SN. What's given? A given, D given. So we can find out third question. First part 5.3. A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50. So same procedure like this question number 2. First we will find out AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What's your AN? AN equal to 50. So 50 I can write is equal to A. A is what here? 5 plus N minus 1. What's your D? 3. So take 50 minus 5, 45, directly solving. N minus 1 into 3. 3 bring in this side, 45 by 3 equal to N minus 1. How much? 15 equal to N minus 1. When you open this bracket, N equal to 16. N equal to 16. So find out, we know SN. SN we have to find out. N told you, N equal to 16. Now what we will find out? SN. SN equal to N by 2. A plus. A plus last term given? Not given. Given. AN given 50. Plus A. So S, how much? N equal to 16 is equal to 16 by 2. A 5. AN 50. So what's S? 16 equal to 8 into 55. So S 16 equal to how much? This. So this. So all part are easy. All part are easy. Third question, second part, 5.3. What's given? A equal to 7. A 13 given is equal to 35. What's given? 13 is what's given? 35. Find D and S13. D and S13. So first what we will find out? D we will find out. A13 is equal to A plus 12D. This formula you know. A13, 35. A7 plus 12D. 12D. So what's coming? This coming in this side, 35 minus 7 is equal to what? 12D. What's 12D? What's it? 12D. How much? 28 is equal to 12D. And what's your D? 28 by 12. Cancel out. So D equal to 7 by 3. Got? Now this told you have to find out S13. So formula you know. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into A. What's your A? 7. What's your D? AN. AN equal to 35. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 42 by 1. How much? 21. So S13 is equal to 13 into 21. So what's your calculation? You know. How can calculate? You know. 3. Understood? One more part left. One more part left. Which part is this? Third part of question number 3. Third question, third part. So you have to show like this. You have to show like this. Anywhere A is not given, you have to find out. Somewhere N is not given, you have to find out. Yes or no? So this is given. A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. What's given? A12 equal to 37. What's given? A12. 12 is equal to 37. What's its meaning? Its meaning A plus 11D equal to 37. Its meaning is this. Yes or no? D equal to 3 given. D equal to 3. So put here value of D. A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. So A plus 33 is equal to 37. So A equal to 37 minus 33. So A equal to 4. So saying in question also find the value of A. And then one more part saying, what saying? You have to find out S12. What you have to find out? S12. So S12 equal to this. 12 by 2. 2A is 4 plus what? S12 given, A12 given. So we can apply this formula. S12 equal to N by 2 into A plus A. This we will not take. This we will not take. We will apply that formula directly. We can solve by that formula. A is what? A is what here? 4. AN 37 plus 37. So much simple. S12 equal to 6 into 41. So S12 equal to 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. So according to this question,